As climate change continues to threaten the very fabric of life, causing widespread drought, food insecurity, violent conflict, and the displacement of millions, youths and technological expertise, with their unparalleled energy, creativity, and technological expertise, must create the paradigm shift in climate action by developing, advocating, and implementing innovative, sustainable, and community-driven solutions. In Nigeria, youth have taken center stage in the fight against climate change, with more young people developing, advocating, and implementing innovative solutions that blend environmental stewardship with social responsibility. This surge of youth involvement in the consensus at a stakeholders engagement organized by EcoLearn Nigeria, which brought together government officials, educators, students, and climate experts to discuss the critical role young people are playing in combating climate change.
We know for a fact that there are changes in our weathers and our seasons. It's affecting our land. It's affecting grazing for herds. It's affecting food, to be cropped, to be cultivated. It's affecting our transportation in terms of mobility. It's affecting our health. We know that there's that impact, but how can we translate it into our everyday living? It's in how we manage our waste. What is causing the flood, apart from, the climate change? The blockages of our drainages, what is causing the holdups and the traffic, that we go through? It's the flooding. Why we have so much flooding? So what we're saying is that let us start from the very, very basics. How do we manage our waste?
Youths are very, very important. We are integral parts of society, and we are the only ones who can take action, active action. We understood that there was a very huge problem in our society, in the schools, to the fact that they did not understand what climate change was all about. And so we deemed it fit to make sure that they are empowered and educated with the requisite knowledge and skills to thrive for a sustainable future.
As part of the discussion, there was a strong call for climate policies that are inclusive and that empower youth at the local and global levels.
I know that the government has done a lot of work through various ministries to establish climate education, capacity to be increased, to be improved, competencies to be driven amongst our children, because, like I said again, they're the ones that are able to influence each other. They're able to influence their parents at home. They're able to influence their community. We must ensure that we're utilizing the best tools, the best units, the best market. And the best market is the children. They are able to learn quickly. Their cognitive abilities are still very strong.
Teachers who will be involved in programs like EcoLearn, teachers who are already proponents of these things in their schools, they may not be the popular ones, but they're doing the work. Right? So by the time the government and the Ministry of Education is working on that curriculum, we can pick out some of those teachers and say, okay, come to the table and let's create this curriculum together.
We cannot just leave the works just for the government. Everybody takes an active role or takes an active part in making sure that the society is better for everyone to live in. We're experiencing climate change, we're experiencing flooding. We as individuals need to make sure that whatever actions that we're taking is to our benefits and to the benefit of the society. So we're not just going to leave this to organizations or to the government, but we as ourselves have to take active actions to make sure that we can also help in solving the problem generally.
As youth take the lead in combating climate change, they are showing that innovative, community-driven solutions can be the key to a sustainable future.